Hello, Coach Amy here. I want to be the first one to welcome you to Team Destiny and say congratulations on becoming a Beachbody coach. Now, there are 3 different kinds of coaches, and it's really important for me to know what kind of coach you are. That way I can help you reach your goals. So coach number 1. If you are coach number 1, you love Beachbody and you love the products and you really want to take advantage of the 25% discount. So you're a discount coach. Coach number 2. Coach number 2 is a part-time coach. You love the programs as well. You love Shakeology. Maybe you even got amazing results and your friends and your family are starting to ask what you're doing to get these results, and you want to share with them what you're doing and get compensated for that and earn a commission. And there is nothing wrong with that. You are a direct advertisement for Beachbody and you worked so hard, so why not get compensated? Coach number 3. If you are coach number 3, you are a full-time coach like myself. I am constantly looking to share my journey with people. I eat, sleep, breathe Beachbody. I love challenges. I love participating in the Beachbody challenges. Ultimately, my goal is to use coaching as my family's main source of income and to be able to stop my regular 40-hour job. So those are the 3 different kinds of coaches. Now let me just inform you that I was a discount coach and then I trickled down and I became a full-time coach. So your coaching status can change and that's okay. Just let me know and I will adjust my training so I can help you be the best coach possible. So that is it. Please let me know what coach you are, discount, part-time, or full-time. And again, welcome to Team Destiny and congratulations on becoming a Beachbody coach.